What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Amazon Firestick, and this one has the Alexa voice remote. So I was in the market for another Firestick, and I decided to pick this one up. Now I didn't get the 4K one for specific reasons, and I just went with this one here. I needed it in one of my rooms in my house. And this is what I went with. So here's the box. If you are not familiar with the Amazon Fire Stick, you can receive a lot of these services right here that they have listed at the top: HBO, Showtime, Netflix, ESPN, etc. You can get those. This is let's go around the box here: Alexa, 1080p, Dolby Audio, quad core, Wi-Fi 802.11ac. And then on this side of it here, it tells you what's included. You get the Fire Stick 2nd generation. You get the Alexa voice remote. You get 2 AAA batteries. You get a power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable. And what you need for this to work is high-speed internet with Wi-Fi, HD TV with HDMI input. So if you got all of that, then you can rock with this. So here's the back of it. It gives you a little information about this. Tens of thousands of channels, apps, and Alexa skills. Watch your favorite from Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Showtime, Prime Video, and NBC. Plus access live news and sports, as well as millions of websites like YouTube, Facebook, and Reddit. Next gen Alexa voice remote with TV controls. Just press and ask to easily find, launch, or control content. So Alexa can perform a lot of things there and do more with your Fire TV. You can check out the weather, or order pizza, stream millions of songs through Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio. And here are some of the simple commands that you can give Alexa. So here's the box. So let's get into it and check it out. Now I'm going to set this up as well during this video. New unboxing knife on deck. I had it for a few videos now. Let's get this tape cut. But I'm definitely going to set it up. I'm going to try out that voice control on it. Now, like I said, these been out for a while. So let's get this out. All right, so how do we get into this box? Wow. Oh, okay. Here it is. All right. So nice presentation here. So you get some literature here. What's in the box? Connects your Amazon Fire Stick TV. Power up your Alexa voice remote. So your instructions there. You do get your, this is your USB to micro USB cable here. What is this here? Get this out. Okay, that looked like your extender. Yeah, that's your USB extender cable there. You do get your power brick right here. And here is the Fire Stick. Let's get it unwrapped. Okay, so here's the Fire Stick. Amazon on it, HDMI, and that's that. You get your remote control right here. So here's the remote and your 2 AAA batteries. So that's the content of the box. Let's get the remote out, take a look at it. Here's the remote, some more plastic here. You got plastic everywhere, man. All right, so here's the Alexa remote. So you got your microphone button there, your power button, your different functions here: back, pause, forward, home, menu, another back button there, volume, plus and minus, and your mute button here at the bottom. So let's get the batteries in here. All right, just slide the back off like that to get the batteries in. And you do have an illustration in there which way the batteries go. And that's that. Slide your cover back on. All right, guys, so next I'm going to pause the video, and we definitely got power, as you can see there. Next I'm going to pause it, and we'll end up at the TV and get this set up. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get this prepped before we get in there by the TV. So all you do is take your micro USB, plug it into this side right here of the Firestick, and that part is there. Then you take your USB, and you want to go into your wall charger there, and then your extender. If you need this or not, it'll go just like this, guys. Just like so. So let's get to the TV and check it out. Okay, guys, so we are on the back of my TV set here. As you can see there, you see HDMI 3, HDMI 2, and I am using the HDMI 1. So what you do is you take this part that we hooked up to the Fire Stick here, and you just plug it into there. Now, if you need the extender, you can use it, but from the looks of it, I don't really need it, but I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in anyway. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but we'll get it plugged in here. All right, so there it is. And you get it there. And then you go down and take your power cord and just plug it into an outlet that you have down below. So let's take a look at it, hooking it up to the TV, guys. Once you have it plugged into your TV, you take your normal remote control and you go to TV input right here. And then once that menu come up over there, I have mine plugged into HDMI 3. So I'm going to go down to HDMI 3. And then I'm going to select that, and then when that starts selecting, then you should see your Fire Stick TV come up. So once you're in this program right here, simple enough to go ahead, and it's telling me to start to pair this, to hit the play and pause button right here. So I'm going to hit that. Now I'm going to select my language, which is going to be United States English. And now it's scanning for networks. So here's my network right here. Now I'm going to have to I'm going to go ahead and select it. Now I'm going to have to put in my password. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, once you put in your password for your Wi-Fi, this is the string that it comes to right here. And it says connecting to connection successful. So it's checking for updates. It's asking me, do I have an Amazon account already? I already have one, so I'm going to click that. And now I got to put in my login information. So stand by. Once you get your password and your information in, it's going to sign in to your account. Your Fire Stick is registered to my name. Do you want to use this account? And then I'm going to continue. Save the password. I'm going to say yes. And do I want to enable parental controls? I'm going to say no. And it's preparing to set up. So easy, pretty easy setup for this. For the Fire Stick, as you can see. So it's preparing my remote for setup. And sorry about the lighting and everything, guys. We'll be playing music during the setup. Please make sure the volume is turned up, then control. So I'm going to turn my volume up here. So I'm going to hit next. Volume up and down. So now your Fire TV remote is successfully set up. Okay.
Welcome to your new Fire TV Stick. Use your voice to easily get to all your favorites from Netflix.
So it gives you a little tutorial here.
Stars and more.
Okay, guys. So after it gives you that little short tutorial there, it gets to this screen and choose your streaming service. Everything is free to add. Some require payments for full access. So we're going to get started. And what am I going to choose here? I'm going to choose, I'm going to keep going over. Let's see what I want to check out here. So these are the sub menus here. Let's check out ESPN, see what's going on here. So these are some of the stations that channels that I chose, and now you just hit finish, and then it takes you to the next screen here. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so now when you get to this screen, you got Netflix. You got your different sub menus here. Let's go to Netflix right quick. And within Netflix, so it's downloading the Netflix app right here. Hey guys, so it downloaded the Netflix app for me. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And pretty simple setup, as you guys can see. The Firestick, if you've never had one set up, it's fairly easy to set up, as you can see. So, okay guys, so here's the voice here's a command for voice right here. Alexa, open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
So there's Netflix. So let's go back out. Let's try another one, guys. Alexa, open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
Okay, guys, so those are the voice commands using Alexa voice. That's it, guys. The Amazon Fire Stick with Alexa voice remote. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.